How to delete another Facebook account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you a clear guide on how to delete another Facebook account. So let's just get started without any delay. So first of all, let's head over and open up our Facebook account on our device. And the thing you need to understand is you cannot delete someone else's Facebook account without their permission. So Facebook account deletion is only allowed by the owner themselves and a legacy contact and submitting a request for a deceased person's account with proper documentation for that as well. But if you'd like to delete accounts, so you usually go over and go to the profile that you would like to delete, go ahead and log in and go over to the menu at the top right and open up your menu of your Facebook. After you are here, you can go ahead and go over to the settings option and open it up. And once you access your settings, you may just go ahead and directly head over the account center and tap on it. Once you go over to the account, you can just go ahead and scroll down and find the option for personal details and go ahead and tap on it. Once you do so, you'll be given an option for account ownership and control, where you can manage your data and modify your legacy contact and deactivate or delete your accounts or profile. So go ahead and find it up and tap on it. And once you do so, here you can just go ahead and control everything. Look out for deactivation and deletion option and go ahead and tap on it. And once you do so, here you can just go ahead and select your Facebook account that you would like to delete. So if you have multiple accounts, you can follow up this process legally. But if you're trying to access other people's accounts, it's you cannot do it. You cannot delete someone else's Facebook account without their permissions. So if you have two accounts or three accounts, and if you'd like to delete one of them, you may follow up this process. You can go over to your profile from here, and from there, select the option called delete account at the second option. And you can read what is written there and tap on continue. And once you go ahead and do so, the pages and profiles that are associated with your account should be also deleted, will also be deleted. So you can just go ahead and tap on continue. And once you do so, you can select a reason why you would like to delete account. So you can tap on it and tap on continue again. And after you do so, you need to tap on continue again. That will do so. And once you do so, you can scroll to the options and it will uh, ask you to review the apps and everything, or do so. You can just go ahead and wait it out and tap on continue. And after it is done, you can just go ahead and for security reasons re-enter your password for the one last time in this box right here. After you do so, tap on continue. And once you do so, your account will be deleted that you're trying to delete. So if you'd like to delete another Facebook account in today's video, you may follow up this process in order to do so. So give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.